I'm standing here in front of one of my listings at 2113 Delvin Lane. Great little house here in Wells Branch for sale. And one feature I wanted to show you first of all was that it's located on a cul-de-sac. So it's a great location if you've got kids. It's also a very short walk to the main Catherine Fleischer Park. It's got swimming pool, playground, and lots of great amenities that you can walk down to. The front yard, she's got blooming landscaping. There is a full sprinkler system in this house, as you can notice from the heads right there. And she's done a lot of cute things with the landscaping, including that nice little bridge and all the blooming plants. She has had the exterior painted recently. It was painted in 2007, and the roof was redone in 2009. And one other thing I don't think I mentioned yet was that garage door was replaced in 2007. So a lot of the big, expensive maintenance items have already been done. So right here we've got a cute covered porch. Nice little spot there for your morning coffee. We'll go ahead and head inside. So the first room we're going to see is the living room. Laminate floors, freshly painted. Nice high ceilings with the wood beam and ceiling fan. And a really impressive fireplace right here. Goes all the way up to the ceiling. And it's kind of neat. There's fireplace on this side in the living room, and also a see-through fireplace over here in the dining room. Just a real neat feature. And one thing I wanted to let you know about, when we first came to meet with the seller, she had wallpaper in the kitchen, and she had just plain basic, I think, off-white laminate counters. And so we recommended that she resurface the counters. That gave it a more modern look. We have a vendor that we use that helps to make kitchens more updated, and it's a lot more affordable than granite. And of course we neutralized the wallpaper, which nobody really likes these days. And so now the kitchen looks move-in ready and modern. That dishwasher was installed in 2006 and built-in microwave. So again, this is all fresh paint, used to be wallpaper, and we've got a nice little updated light fixture right there. So as we head into the hall bathroom, we've got granite countertops right here. Nice window for lots of natural light and tile floors. This is the first secondary bedroom. It also has laminate floors, fans going right there, and some nice built-in shelving. And you'll notice this house has only laminate and tile floors. There's no carpet at all. So if you're an allergy sufferer, which a lot of us in Austin are, this would be a great home without any carpeting. So again, another nice secondary bedroom, good sized closet, updated fan. And now we will head over to the other master bedroom. And it's kind of nice that you've got the separation. A lot of people like the mother-in-law plan where you've got bedrooms on one side and then the master on this side. So more beautiful laminate floors, ceiling fan. And one of the nice features of this house is the master bathroom. So she's also done granite in here, updated faucets, tile floors, and lots of storage. There's built-in shelves right here, and then you've got two walk-in closets, one right here and another one right there. So lots of storage. Nice bathtub with natural light window. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and head out to the backyard. So one of the huge selling points of this house is the yard. This house is located on almost 1/4 of an acre. And as I was mentioning before, you've got the sprinkler system in both front and backyard, so it's a lot easier to maintain a yard when you've got that. So the patio right here is an extended large size patio, and then you can see it's covered. Picking up some more blooming landscaping right there. And she has just done a tremendous job in this yard. You know, tons of plants, tons of trees. It's just really pretty much like an oasis back here, and you can see from how well the sprinkler system works that her grass has stayed in great shape, even though we've been going through drought conditions here. Lush green lawn. So we'll go ahead and show you a full panorama of the yard. And that's the tour of 2113 Delvin Lane.